This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload a YouTube video from your Android tablet if you want to make a channel. This is simple. Go over to the camera option and start recording some videos. So I have the video option right now. If you want to make a short, you're going to want to do it up and down the long way. If you want to make a long form video, do it horizontally like this. It can be very important. Once you have your videos recorded, let's go back on over to YouTube. And we can find that if we just swipe up. We should have this already installed on our device. Go to YouTube right here and select it. And you can see I have some videos already on there, but let's go down to this plus icon right here. Now choose a video. So you can see I have the option for video, live, or post. I don't see an option on here for shorts, but let's just go to one of these right here. Maybe check this one here. Okay. And then we can scroll through here. Now we do have the option to edit into a short right here if we ever want to do that. We can take this long form video and edit into a short. Otherwise, it might just automatically put it in the short format. So once we have it on here, we can scroll on over to next and tap next. And this is where we can upload it. So I really don't have too much stuff on here. I'm trying out the the DJI Mic Mini 2 at range. So come up with the title for your video that's relevant. You can go to Google search, and what they auto-populate is a good suggestion of what to put in your title. And that will gain traffic to this specific video because people will know what to specifically search for to show to see your video. Okay, so I'm just going to type this in. Then we go to the visibility. If we want public, unlisted, anyone with the link can view, or private, or you can schedule out in the video, the future. We can go to show more. We can add a description, tags, etc. Then in the top left, if we want to come up with a thumbnail, we can. And I don't think I have a thumbnail in here anywhere that I want to put on there, so I'm just going to leave a random one from my video. And we can add the thumbnail right there. Once we have everything on there, we can just simply go to upload now. Is it made for kids? No. Then we can go to upload. Now if you are making like an AI video or something like that, I think you need to disclose that as well before you upload. So just have fun. Go ahead and just make a YouTube channel and try it out yourself. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.